What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today you can see we are outdoors. I'm coming out here to fly a little bit today to give my new GoPro a try, and I figured why not record a little bit of a review and a test with the session. So I hope the audio is okay. I'm pretty sure it's in super view, so it probably looks ridiculous, but if you can see behind me what we are going to review today and what you're going to see in the flight footage, there's a lot of stuff going on today. Testing out the session. We're going to talk about this gate real quick and some, test out some flight footage with a session on top. I'll show you the drone in a second. So you can see here, these are the RDQ kind of quick pop-up gates. These were 20 bucks. All right, pretty simple to put together. If there's 2 tent poles, if you ever put a tent together, you could put this together. Goes through, and then this piece just kind of, you put it on here on the corner piece. You stick these tent ends into the corner pieces. This goes and kind of holds it up. Then you get 4 stakes. These are added extra, I think, because there was metal stakes in there, and then these were kind of separate. So I'm going to put one on each corner out here like this, and then I'm going to put these on here like this, like that. So it should hold it from going either way if I hit it. So it's a nice nylon. It's that white, so hopefully we'll be able to see it. Race Day Quad's a simple pop-up gate, right? And I can show you over here. This is how it comes. You get it in a bag broken down, so it's got a pretty small footprint. I just stuck them into these side pockets like this, so it comes in a bag like that, and everything that you see out there is in there. 2 sets of stakes, and then here's the other. These are just metal stakes. So you get 2 sets of stakes, the thing, the nylon piece, the 2 sets of tent poles, and the cordage there that's in the middle to hold it together. So that's what we got. Hopefully the gate will work fine. So we'll find out. And we're going to be flying the Speed Addict 210 V2 from Catalyst Machine Works. Got the GoPro mount all ready to go. Nothing left but to set this up and rip it. You'll see how I have it set up in the field through the flight footage. So there you go. I mean, we'll hit first impressions. Its setup was a breeze. It took me 5 minutes. I did put it together myself. Might be a little easier if you had a partner, but durability, can't speak to that yet, because guess what, I got to bash into it a few times, and we'll race through it now and see what we get. So I think that pretty much covers it for now. Pretty much set up in first looks. I mean, you can't do much more than that. Let's fly. Let's put the GoPro on the quad. Let's fly. Well, there you go. There's the back of it. So, you know, shit happens, crashes happen. Got my first lost GoPro, found GoPro, and planted that baby in the mud. I'm having a rough time with the back end of my quads these days. I mean, I killed a Unify in like 2.2 seconds. 4th battery. I was trying to Matty flip a goalpost at another park and just planted it into the mud and smashed that all to hell. So I'm doing some work on the rear end. And the GoPro went flying, so hey, but we got everything. And we just dig the mud out and fix it. So it's part of the game. Shit. So I've been ripping through the gate a little here and there. It's fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm gonna have to hit it a little more, you know, smash into it, get a couple other guys to run into it and whatnot. But other than that, so far, so good. So, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.